If cold outreach eats your day and follow-ups slip, try this. Email Marketer finds leads and sends a simple 3-day follow-up sequence, so you spend more time talking to people. First, install the template. Next, let's use it right away. I'll ask the agent, CFO of a company that completed its IPO in 2025. The agent writes a clean record, company, contact, email, website, source, into 3-day outreach. I set status to sending. Day 1 goes now. Days 2 and 3 are auto-scheduled. You can track progress in the automation history. Open Event Mailer to edit day 1 to 3 copy, recipients, and delays. In agent settings, you can keep the built-in prompt, it includes basic limits, or customize, data source, AI model, tweak Bika database, plus Bika datasets, companies, people, or add any other skill sets you need. Grab the template at Bika.ai.